Flat filing a mating surface. This happens to be a side cover on a motorcycle XS650. I like to use a little bit of mineral spirits in a spritzer bottle. Very handy around the shop, by the way. Keep the file a little bit damp with that. The trick is just light, even pressure. Don't concentrate on any one area. If you get a raised area, you'll feel it on the file, and all you're trying to do is get rid of that catchiness as you hit any raised spots. There's a little bit here in this corner, still there, but I'm not rounding on the corner. I've just got my hand in the middle of the file. I keep the file across a wide section of the cover and work the whole thing just a little bit. You don't want to file any dents that are going to leak. You're just trying to get rid of anything that's sticking up, maybe like for an over-tightened bolt or where somebody pried on an edge, that type of thing. Just a little bit more filing. Again, we change directions, we keep it. You can hear it catching there just a little bit. I'm not even sure where it's catching. Or maybe it's the handle. There again. Just notice I'm keeping my pressure here rather than using the handle, which is going to tend to rock it or tip it. Here, it's just kind of holding it flat. The whole one-handed thing, of course, but you're seeing it. Okay. Shop techniques, nothing fancy, just handy things for when you're working on old mechanical stuff.